we're gonna talk about how Indian companies are making their own app store. Why? I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna talk
Fun
about
fact,
it. I have a lot of points on this.
In the last episode, I actually mentioned ki why I literally mentioned this ki why are Indian developers not taking advantage of the fact that Google Pay you can put your own Play Store. Why do they not put their own Play Store on Google and like create their own ecosystem? And now 1 week later, that is actually a reality. Like it's
that is not actually what's happening. If you put your
I know
store
it's
on
not
Google
happening.
Store,
It's not
why-
happening. I know. They won't put it on
what
Play
I'm
Store.
saying is, नहीं, oof, Play Store पे डाल नहीं सकते और एक store, I think. That is not allowed. What you are allowed to do is install a store side से. Like side load करना allowed है. You're not allowed to put it on Google Play Store.
Are you sure?
But
Because
you're allowed
there's
to
a
side
lot.
load a store. हाँ.
But there's a lot of app stores on Google's Play Store. There are, I'm pretty sure. I have downloaded some when I was small. Arya, when I was younger and naive, I didn't know, so I.
हाँ, अभी I think change हो गया रहेगा policy. पहले के policies काफी different थे. But I haven't seen an app store on Google Play Store कभी.
That makes a lot of sense. ठीक है. So, all right. What happened?
I don't see a point in it. The reason you have your own app store, the only reason I see you have your own app store is not paying 30% या फिर कुछ rules avoid करना.
That's right.
But if your store is on Google App Store, then हर app
that makes no sense.
Pay.
Yeah, 30%.
हाँ.
Exactly. So
I guess
Paytm is either mostly they're gonna, and I'm gonna give you guys a preface to it, and then Advait is going to emphasize on the topic further what his thoughts are. But Paytm और Google का झगड़ा हुआ था I think एक या 2 हफ्ते पहले जब Google ने Paytm को literally ऐसा Play Store से निकाल दिया for like a few hours, ठीक है? Because apparently they were redirecting people to an external website where they can win money, spend money. सट्टा ऑनलाइन सट्टा था बेसिकली ठीक है दैट्स लीगल सट्टा ऑनलाइन लीगल सट्टा पेटीएम कर रहा था एंड दैट लिंक वाज ऑन देयर app which is not allowed by Google. Like we've mentioned this before again that app Google Play Store and App Store do not allow you to send users to another web page to pay. It's not allowed. So Paytm को हटा दिया and then
Paytm I think is Paytm वगैरह are allowed to do it because they're money kind of apps, so they're allowed to put their own payment in. Paytm got kicked out for adding gambling tactics into their app, and it comes under gambling and fantasy sports. And what they're doing something with Paytm first, yes, it was some link to the outside website. The details are not important. It's just that it did violate Google's App Store guidelines, Play Store guidelines. And then I was like, wait a minute. Apps allowed a fantasy for Dream 11 sponsoring the IPL, and their app is on people's phone and stuff. And then I realized that app is not on the Play Store.
It's not on the Play Store. Yeah, I was gonna correct you. Yeah.
तो पहले I
you have to install
Paytm का site कि एक मिनट
it's smart.
Calling out Paytm and stuff. But now it's Paytm is in the wrong because they're asking for special permission or something like that. And
yeah,
Google says that it was concerned with the tactics Paytm was using and they had some back and forth, but Paytm denies that there was no back and forth. So so see, rules are rules, and I'm fine with rules as long as they're applied to everyone equally.
Exactly.
And this is the case here.
So how did they come back on the Play Store within the few hours?
They just removed it.
They removed the feature, right? They removed the what feature was it? Paytm First Games, right?
Paytm, I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure it was Paytm First Games. Paytm First is their kind of offshoot kind of thing where they earn more money essentially. Paytm First game section था.
Okay, I don't understand. ये app developers, see, I understand you have a brand with Paytm and you have to branch it out and use that brand name to sell other stuff, Paytm Mall, Paytm ये.
True.
Why are you putting everything in the same app?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That's right.
And they use this fact, आगे पता है क्या? So I'll get to it. But the thing is, Paytm is back, but all the Indian entrepreneurs are mad कि how is Google doing this? And India, I think Android is 98% Android.
99%
is iOS. 99%.
Yeah.
And so they're like Google has a monopoly here.
True.
And so the case they were making is Paytm is a payments app as at the base of it.
Hmm.
That is what they're saying. So if
Yeah.
Google bans it, it's like they're banning a form of payment in India, man. And Google, being an American company, has this power. And I'm like, you dumbasses, they wouldn't have banned you if you were just a payment app.
I agree.
The problem they have is with the other feature you have added.
They aggressively expanded.
Have you ever opened the Paytm app?
It's no. Please don't do that.
It's a mess. I use Samsung
It's a
Pay
mess.
through
It's a
Paytm
mess.
just to avoid all the mess that they recently cleaned up the app Thodusa, like the new UI and stuff, but it's still not up to mark. Like if you have an app which is responsible for payments, you should make it really simple so anyone can use it.
Seriously.
And why do you?
I mean, I
a
agree.
shop-
At the top, they have like payment options at the top of the UI. Google Pay is such a good example of like just payments,
It's
just
simple.
payments.
It
And
does
that's so
what
good.
it does, and it gets out of the way. Like I'm not against 197. 197 is a parent company, uska.
Huh.
And I'm not against
Paytm
197 using the Paytm name to get other stuff done like shopping and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But have a different app for it, please.
Right,
Like
right.
this is normally
Paytm-
fine with apps
Paytm
having
Mall
some
का क्या
feature
हुआ?
in it.
Did they integrate it?
नहीं,
It's still
Paytm
different.
Mall वगैरह are different apps.
Mhm.
अलग से.
Yeah.
But I think there is some integration in it and stuff.
Yeah,
So-
because you can buy stuff on Paytm as well and on Paytm Mall as well. I don't know. I think you get some perks or something for
Exactly. And
ordering from the mall.
We are confused. हम लोग confused. So I don't know about other people.
Right.
But
Right.
yeah, and so here is why I'm mad. Like I'm dead mad.
Hmm.
The new App Store is fueled by why does Google get the power to make the rules?
Yeah.
And I find it toxic. You have to make an App Store just because Google did something. Like the Play Store regulations are kind of fair in my opinion.
Okay.
Except 30% cut. 30% cut is too much.
It's too much.
Be
I
reduced.
agree. But I also
Huh.
agree that they take a cut. I'm totally okay with that. I mean,
YouTube takes 45% cut. YouTubers.
Seriously,
One says
45.
they're not. But the 45% is the 30%. 45% का वो बाद में आएंगे. But the 30% is not completely profit. Like it doesn't go into someone's pocket to spend the money. The 30% is used to run the Play Store services. The Google, there are libraries which these apps are built on. Like एकदम base पे which Google made एकदम starting से.
Yeah.
And without these libraries, these apps wouldn't have been possible at all.
True,
Like
true.
authentication, maps,
Exactly.
ये सब.
Correct.
Although maps is paid बाद में भी. Like when you pass a certain limit and stuff. But that 30% is also used to make new Android updates and stuff. So it's not all going in their
that
pockets.
makes
It's still used somewhere.
Yeah,
Although
what the
a
hell? I
chunk
mean,
of it is going in their pockets, like profits they form में. But work on reducing 30% cut somehow rather than making your own app store. Also, making your own app store is easier said than done. Not only do you have to make a store, but you'll have to make all the libraries that are used.
The
with
other
it.
apps that will.
And
But I have a question. Apparently, a bunch of companies are collaborating over this. A bunch of software giants, Indian software giants, are collaborating over this Paytm thing. So, will it not be easier, at least in the for these first few apps
okay,
to
see,
be on the
Google
new
is a
Play Store?
very big company.
I agree.
Even if you combine these companies ऐसा एक के ऊपर एक रख के भी, the chances of it going to heights where Google is, it's maybe चला जाएगा. But here's the thing. Something about so many companies being a part of it, कि काफी confusion होने वाला, and there's going to be a lot of paperwork and diplomatic stuff, and making these libraries available. And the apps which are on Google Play Store will have to be somewhat rewritten to use these libraries of this.
Right.
So it's a lot of work just to get to a point where the store is available.
I agree.
And उसके बाद उसके बाद people will have to install them. And here's the part. I trust Google more than I trust these companies combined.
Yeah, that makes
The chances-
man. That's a very strong.
even if you trust Paytm 197, they are not the only ones making this. There's
Yeah.
like 10 other companies, and
Yeah.
there is Indian government.
Right. That's
Though,
right.
and why involve the government? Like, poof.
Who's involved?
There's a government
को
body.
कौन involved कर रहा है?
Hi. So government wanted an Indian app store बहुत time से. Play Store. I'm gonna use the term app store. I don't mean the Apple App Store. This is the store which has apps, so it's called an app store. It's a general term. But Indian government has its own app store. You know, तुम लोग वो website पे जाके you can download apps and stuff, and then you can install. But they wanted it बहुत time से, and this is a chance they have, so they have always been looked into it. But you're gonna make an app store with the Indian government, and App Store is an integral part of your OS. It can access a lot of stuff.
I agree.
Which means it can access a lot of data.
So you're saying you don't want to give a lot of data to these companies, Indian companies?
Yeah, Indian companies, and directly in the hands of the government. Like normally they needed a warranty ऐसा कुछ to take it from Google. Now they can just take it from whatever database they have.
Yeah, that is man, that's pretty good position.
And so Samsung comes with its own app store, Play Store thing, and you can't remove it. I don't know. My phone has it. I don't know what data.
I think it's called Samsung Apps. I think it's called Samsung Apps.
कुछ तो है. But I never used it. I removed all the permissions from it, and it's pre-installed. Like it's already
perfect.
क्या बोलते हैं, worrying me. And it's Samsung. I don't know what these other companies are doing with it.
Right.
But they're forcing some policies or something like through the government. This new app store must be pre-installed on all Android phones.
Oh shit! Okay.
So
nice.
I don't know if everyone is seeing all these red flags I'm seeing.
But
please tell me you do. There are so many red flags, man.
Yeah. The thing is, I mean,
mandatory install. So many companies working together. Indian government in it.
I don't know, but I think anybody wanting to bring any new change will always be opposed. I believe that. But won't the last point that you mentioned, ki they want this new app store to be pre-installed with Google's software? Won't that be difficult for them to do?
अरे नहीं, once it's a law, क्या करेंगे Google भी?
Oh, once it's a law. Oh yeah, fair enough. Wow, okay. I mean, we do need a lot of cyber laws and stuff in this country. But yeah,
I know. But this comes back to a point where the software, Android software, is Google's property, right?
Yeah, obviously.
So why are laws being made? How are you forcing a company, which it's like तेरे car में you have to make someone sit compulsorily because law says it. I don't understand. Like if you have a car and uska passenger seat mein you have to take a person hamesha because the law says it.
Yeah, I see. Like I see where you're going. The thing is, the one positive thing
it's a gray area. It might be nice and bad. Like I have the last point. Like it's written as still a ray of hope.
It's written as what?
Is new. It's titled as still a ray of hope.
Still a ray of hope. Okay, nice. It's sweet.
See, all this information is new and it's fresh. It might be confusing, and these companies are in just the starting wala talks.
True.
If this comes true, if or when, it's a big if, it's a huge if. When, it's a long, I don't know, whatever. But I hope they make these libraries to require रहने अच्छे से, please, because it's gonna form the base of all the other apps which are gonna be made.
Oh man, true. Paytm.
I hope
you better freaking pay your developers, okay? You better freaking pay your developers properly.
And I hope they have fair rules which apply to everyone equally.
Yeah.
India में I don't know why that's a big problem. सबको rules equally apply होगा. And
you summed up India man in one sentence.
Then it's not that. I just hope everything is better than Play Store. Like the cut is less, The rules are allowing innovation
Right.
while curbing the क्या बोलते हैं malware apps and stuff.
Oh, I swear.
So,
Not at all. पहले तो
Yeah.
Chinese apps नहीं रहेंगे, so मतलब वही problem निकल गया एक. Hopefully,
Chinese apps क्यों नहीं रहेंगे?
because we are against China.
That's the thing. That's not fair. You can't just ban someone from the app store just because they live in China. That's one
They
of the
just, bro, they literally just banned like what 400 apps from the app store, 400 Chinese apps from Google's app store, so why can't we do it from our own?
No. They banned it because they're having malpractices and data.
हाँ तो मैं वही तो
They
बोल
didn't
रहा
ban
हूँ.
it because they belong to China.
अच्छा, yes.
You can ban
I
someone for
know.
doing wrong. You can't just ban someone because.
I mean, that's what I meant. Ki,
अच्छा हाँ.
guys, I'm not against China. I'm against malpractices. So yeah, don't do malpractices.
So,
Okay?
हाँ.
Good boys.
It's a gray area. I hope you move it towards a white one. And if it goes towards black, I don't know. Leave the country, I guess.
We can disable the app store in our phones. Hopefully,
You can't disable the app store once it's pre-installed.
Oh shit, yeah.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना app store इतना integral part है कि even if you're
Dead.
not it's
Using
not
it.
possible to not use it.
हाँ, that's right. But when I read about this news, I was, as I said, ki I really, even as I mentioned last week, ki I really want like an Indian app store. I think the best time to make an Indian app store is right now, because in the next 5 years there's going to be a lot more people online. An estimated of like 300 to 500 million Indians are going to get online in the next 5 years. And I believe if we have an Indian app store in the next, say, 1 year, I mean, it'll be good. Like, Google will have some competition, at least in India, I feel. And I believe.
Competition is always good.
Exactly, absolutely. Competition is always good. That's why I was really looking forward. I am really looking forward to this Play Store and how they do it. Exactly. We want them to do it nicely. That's what we want.
Do it nicely. Don't do it ऐसा कि forcing से. You know.
Yeah.
People should want to install your store because it has so many features and does so many exclusive apps. It has partnerships with apps. Ki, you know, people do that, I guess. Ki if you install it through this area, we'll give you so many coins free. वैसा. Something like
Google Pay तो हमेशा होता है.
Do it properly if you guys are doing it.
That's right.
I mean, you're always there to support, I guess. Once you do it properly, people will support you, obviously. Then no one has any problem with it being pre-installed because it's a great app.
Yep.
App store in this case.
But I also think I read a few tweets and an article or something, a few articles. The headlines said ki like Paytm is integrating these app stores into the already existing Paytm apps. So like I don't know how that's gonna go down. Because that's a very bad idea.
No problem hai. These practices are gonna ruin it.
Yeah. And plus, like Indians have a habit of doing things in a jugaad manner. So, that is what worrying us. That's what's worrying Advait. Like we don't have a problem with an Indian Play Store. We have a problem with them not doing it properly, and like exploiting us and exploiting people doing it for the heck of it and like not doing it properly, messing up people's phones and softwares and apps.
And we call out Chinese apps for it, right? Share it, वगैरह.
Precisely.
Social media, I guess.
Yeah, it became almost a social media. Holy shit. And Paytm aims to do that also. And apparently Paytm is still ranked as a startup. Do you know that? Oh my god. It still has startups.
We are basing our entire digital economy on a company which is classified as a startup.
Paytm, the most valued and most successful startup of India. Want to know more about the company? I don't know if it's still a startup.
However, we just mean that once you still have that startup tag, there's a chance that you might fail miserably. Like,
I don't know what it takes for a company to stop being a startup. Like when I don't know when that label is removed, but I don't know if it has
public. But Paytm public है क्या?
No, it's private. It's a private business. It says on their Wikipedia, e-commerce, finance, revenue.
So it's a private company, not a public one.
Yeah, it's listed on Alexa rank, written in C++,
Anyway.
JavaScript, and D.
What we what
That-
what we
that's
mean
the-
is there's still a chance that Paytm closes down if something catastrophic happens, like
Yeah, shit.
पूरा hack
Guy-
हो गया ना सब इस तरह।
It is not publicly traded. It's planning to launch his IPO in 2022. Matlab, before it, like, there's still 2 years for it to go public. It's still like a privately traded company.
Why not? So you never know where it goes.